Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Trust Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Trust Wallet application on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, in order to create your new account, tap on the Create New Wallet button. You will be prompted to create a passcode for your account, and you may also enable biometric authentication if you wish. Once you proceed with your PIN and biometrics, you will be prompted to enable notifications. You can skip this for now to proceed with creating your wallet. Now, when you are told that your wallet is ready, you can tap on the Fund Your Wallet option in order to set up your payment methods, or you can skip this now as well. Now, once you have been taken into your wallet homepage, you will still need to retrieve your seed phrase. So just tap on your wallet option at the top and then tap on the three dots alongside your wallet that was just created. You can now see the two different phrase backup options. You can use your Google Drive account or you can set the manual backup. It is recommended to have a manual backup, which will give you your seed phrase that you can store for future use. Once you tap on the button, you will see some warnings. Just tap on the warnings to confirm that you agree, and then tap on continue. You will then be shown the 12-word secret phrase that acts as your password for your account. Make sure that you save these phrases carefully so that you can use them later when you wish to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Trust Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.